अर्जुन उवाच अथ केन प्रयुक्तो अयं पापं चरति पुरुषः अनिच्छनपि वार्ष्णेय बलादिव नियोजितः. Hello friends, this is the 36th shlok of the third chapter of Bhagavad Gita, and today we will understand this shlok in detail. So let's first go over its meaning. So the shlok says Arjun Uvach, which means Arjun said, Atha Kena Prayukto, which means then who joined, Ayam Papam Charati Purushaha, which means this sinful conduct with the person, Anichanapi Varshneya, which means even without one's will, O Varshneya, Baladeva Niyojitaha, which means with force which instigates. So in this shlok, Arjun is putting a question in front of Sri Krishna, and he is asking Sri Krishna that what is this thing which instigates a person to attach himself to the sinful conduct. And he is putting the question in a very pertinent manner, where he is saying, what is that force which is something which compels us to go against our will and perform these actions which are sinful. So there is a very deep meaning which has been presented in this question itself. So let's understand that. So in daily life, we are generally told, that you should act in the rightful manner, and you should not really conduct in a sinful way. And it all sounds as if, people are unaware of what is right and what is wrong, and you should understand what is right and what is wrong. The actual thing is that in the daily life, most of the people are already aware of what is right and what is wrong. They know that a certain action is better and a certain action is sinful, and still they act in the sinful manner. So that is why Arjun over here is saying that it forces us to act against our will. So basically, we know what is right and we know what is wrong, but we act against it. I mean, the thing is that we are held responsible for our actions because of this assumption that we know what is right and what is wrong. In the situations where it becomes evident to us that the person who carried out the action was not really aware of the consequences of that action, as an example, if a little child performs an action which leads to some destruction, then in that situation the person is not really held responsible for those actions. The punishment is only given when we know that the person who performed that action should have the knowledge that he is doing the bad thing. So this is something which is very important for us to understand, that we know what is right and what is wrong, and still we act in the wrong manner. And the question that Arjun is putting up over here is that what is that force that actually forces us to do it? I mean, we know that this is wrong. It always happens to us that whenever we are doing something wrong, we know that this is wrong, but still we do it. Why do we do it? What is that force? So that is the question that has been put over here by Arjun in front of Sri Krishna. And in the coming few shloks, Sri Krishna is going to give the answer to that. So that is basically what the message in this shlok is. I hope that I have explained this shlok well to you, and I have explained the question of Arjun in a good manner to you. With that, I will close this video. I will see you all in the next video. Take care.